See that? Hot soup on wheels. When you come Barbados, the hottest soup you can find. You understand? That's how we do it in a Barbados. Right. Soup hot! Hot soup!
So come on and check out this channel. Dual is YouTube channel, where it's all about showcasing Jamaica exotic places, people and things. Don't forget though to like, subscribe, comment and share. Yeah. Thank you.
Wagwan. Jamaican things, people, wagwan. Fans, wagwan. Now guys, we're right here in Barbados right now. Bridgetown to be exact. And guess what? We're going to check out Bridgetown KFC for people. You don't know, wants to come to Barbados or any country where we decide to come. We have to check out the number one fast food in Jamaica, comparing it. Same fast food joints in that country. And KFC the number one fast food in Jamaica. So we're going to compare it against Bridgetown KFC. I'm a peep, but they're right in a Bridgetown. Now we're going to head over there.
This man put it right there.
Alright, my peeps, so we're gonna check out Bridgetown KFC. Love how this singer combo. We have the mix 3-piece. So they don't do barbecue here. The man them not do barbecue, but spicy and original. See me? So I guess this is the original people and the leg and whatever that be. Whatever this be. Let's show them the size of people. Let's show them the size. Look at this. Look at the size. I don't know what they're gonna do. This is my leg. Look at the size. This goes like a piece of wing. I'm going to the race in the people. This is the fries. Alright, so what do I say? The fries, actually they're a little different from ours. So you don't know, the fries, and then just add some to it. Seems like they have seasoning. I'm gonna prepare my fries with just salt. First one, a little bit saggy, a little bit greasy. And then the seasoning kind of different taste. Now we're gonna try the spice. crust there we normally have. Spicy crust there. We're not really get it. But you get the spicy taste. You get the spicy taste, but you know the spicy crust. And it's like you have way more grease than them stuff. I don't know if you can see. Like really greasy. Fries greasy, chicken greasy. I don't know how to take this like this. So that's the spicy. No, I'm not gonna show you the original. Original wasn't my favorite from the beginning. I'm gonna try it now. I'm gonna come here. So we're talking about look at it. Greasy. Right. This just looks so greasy to me. I'm gonna try it out still. Look at how big thing that. You can tell the difference. It's the original. It's spicy. But you know, somehow it just looks so greasy to me, brother. Just so greasy when people there. So greasy. No. And it's like a try on the film. But what kind of song would you have? Zinger. Okay. That's nothing to check. Alright, so. And it's like a check out there. Zinger. And leave film. Take on it. Now, I'm going to pause for my conclusion. Until the end. So you don't know. My review is basically, you know, giving you everything, what taste, what look, and then compare with Barbados to Jamaica, right? So anything that you go there, stick around, stick around. You look how smart already. Look up. Bad. That looks like a kid's meal, brother. What is it? Don't forget to know ingredients. So basically, a piece of bread and piece of chicken and that look like a mayonnaise. No tomato? No cheese? No sweetness. This one is, you know, it's a bread and chicken. Don't buy it. Not exciting. Why make a beer and then come out here now? Bread and chicken. Regular chicken. I'm just on the yard. So Jamaican Ali. Many people know about attack. You see it already. You just come here and punch it. I'll be a chance. Cook your ticket now. Straight I am. So it's basically bread and chicken and lettuce. So there is no tomato, no tomato, no cheese, a little bit of mayonnaise, and that's it. 3 ingredients: bread, lettuce, chicken, and mayonnaise.
only thing good is Sprite, tastes like Sprite. You try it?
Not yet. So that's about the price.
The price is saggy. But
Then look on the color.
the color is different from the way. I enjoy that one. Just everybody right now. Because the Irish we don't necessarily have the Irish because the money fries are different. It don't taste like fries, like our fries. That's what people must have been buying nothing. Come on, KFC, no buying nothing. Do they want to see me again?
Little piece. A little piece of lettuce. The chicken.
I feel them bread seems small.
This is like a kid's meal. Yeah? Our kids' meal back in Jamaica. Alright, today at the weekend. Yeah, I did a ram. That is for people. Yeah, I did a ram.
No, but some things when they do it, they like they have to them stylish. A lot of things missing. Like one slice of tomato on the pan.
But Jamaica still one.
That's hard as drinks. Jamaica cheese is never running out long time. It's not serving much. That's what things here.
Show you again, I'm not like no greasy, no greasy. You didn't like that greasy. You didn't like that greasy. Grease does stand up in this. It's not done cooking, you know. Once you see chicken ping, you're done cooking.
That's the thing, KFC, you know, 100% sato.
You're done cooking.
And I like in a crowd, so they never yes. They don't know excuse.
It's not done cooking. I got only finish this because I spent the money.
What kind of juice I take? What kind of juice I take?
Yeah, shrimps.
Sit down.
I think if I order chicken KFC, if I have to do it again, no, I order original.
One something grab me from me coming. You know what I do?
Yeah, the juice tastes like shrimps. The size of the chicken still amazes me. That's a show, guys.
2 weeks chicken.
That's a show.
Done.
Just like eat it because we don't spend money right now. Which part is close?
The side left, right, over his shoulder part. You don't know.
Look like good, you know. But brother, it look like good.
So that when you're all in a one, so.
Or no wing, no wing, you know.
A tie.
So look again, people, that's good. What is this? What is this? Come on a Bayesian backlash me now.
Them have to backlash me.
You don't want a Bayesian, you don't want to backlash me. You don't want a Bayesian to backlash me. What is this? Try to finish it for people because pay them for it.
I wonder if tomato scarce. But yet still, if you nail them putting it raw too. And I can beg them beg little next door.
I've actually left in their box.
Now you meal done.
I'm the man where I've done my fries before I done the chicken. I'm just going to my conclusion. Just going to my conclusion. Like I said before, when I want to be Asian, get that. But before me even come here to Jamaica, fries. No, I don't like the fries.
But me don't let fries go happen. Can't go.
2 pieces. I mean, I know the milk like really bird. When you see the size of it, you can really see it. One good boil plate or pigeon egg. You get spot on the original that it seems like. That was on time. Way too basic. And then the big piece did undercook. Big piece did undercook. Fries in there. Right.
That's right.
No, like everything is just very easy. No, compare this to Jamaica. Nowhere near Jamaica. So far. Yep. I like KFC in Jamaica. No. sure you guys subscribe. Try to post notification bell. Comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think you have done for Barbados. Tell me what you think about KFC in Barbados. You know, your side of the story. Until next time, big up yourself. Alright people, so this is Soup Man. The man's a Jamaican soup, we're gonna test it out. Alright? Alright, you see a Jamaican soup, so we're gonna test it out. Alright? We're gonna test it out. You don't really see them thing here? You know, a lot. You know, we're happy with this, but we're gonna test it out. Jamaican soup on Streetside. So everyone I cook them with you. Yeah man, so I'm gonna share now. Small cup of soup. What kind of soup by the way?
Chicken foot soup with chicken and pumpkin. Pumpkin soup,
Okay.
Downtown style.
Okay, cool.
Downtown Coronation Market style. What if a pumpkin and red
Yeah,
and
so I
white.
go on nice soup.
Yeah man, the soup up on a level in but come see now soon. See that red and nice.
Alright people.
Oh you're one of the black of them.
Yes man.
Yeah man, when you come Barbados, just check out Hot Soup on Wheels, yeah?
Hot soup.
Yeah, come around in front just so see that Hot Soup on Wheels. When you come Barbados, the hottest soup you can find, you understand? That's how we do it in a Barbados.
Alright.
Soup hot!
How them can find? How them can find? I
The
do.
number there, you can call 1246 844 6631. You see me I say outer road. WhatsApp, and you can WhatsApp here.
Okay.
Manners.
So I go on know my people.
It's a soup business in Barbados, Jamaican style.
How you mean man?
Downtown. We take the town from out of Jamaica and bring it come in a Barbados. You understand?
Yeah man, so we are testing out the soup with peeps.
Outer road. No joke. What if I sitting in a soup? What if a green banana, plantain, dumpling, everything. Jamaican spinners. You see them? Oh, we are telling you what go on, you know. See what I say? What if a dasheen and sweet potato and chicken foot.
I mean everything in it.
Everything in it, you understand? Outer road, red and nice, see it? Jamaican style, well red up. When you drink the soup down a Coronation Market, your mouth stain up like curry. The same thing in Barbados, red and nice. Manners. See it there? Hot soup. Soup hot! Yeah man. Outer road. You see it? Bridgetown, Barbados, downtown! Hot soup, outer road! Soup hot!
Alright my people, so we are going to test out the soup now. Yeah man, we are testing out the soup.
Yeah
right
man.
now.
Barbados,
First
man.
day
When you
of
come to Barbados, you just come link up Hot Soup on Wheels. You hear me I tell you?
Yeah,
If you want the soup, you can want 1246 844 6631. Soup hot! Downtown, Bridgetown! You understand? Downtown!
Yeah man. We're going to test out the soup now, my God, people. Yeah, my people, we are showing Jamaican soup. What do you say? Jamaican. Yeah, we are showing the Jamaican soup. Feels like Jamaican now, you know. Feels like Jamaican soup. Feels like Jamaican soup. In everything in that. You can go on. One with the structure before me. Everything else go. Hold on, I need to pen. Yeah.
have gone over with your hair, man.
Can't drink.
You have to I have two. Yeah. Huh?
It's like Jamaican soup, man. Thing in it. Yashim, yam, spinach, chicken foot. That's shim, isn't it? It's a sweet potato. Sweet potato this. Soup bad.
Yeah, man, so yeah, my people. Yeah, my people. There you go. KFC wasn't what I expected. But the soup, alright. Yeah, man, I said go. There you go. Well, anyways, Barbados over there. Barbados over there. I'll see you guys. Alright. Here. Subscribe. And that's done. Stay tuned. Progress. Stay tuned to our one. There's an art trip here in Barbados. One love. Peace out. Just make sure to like, share, subscribe. Yeah, can't forget to know everyone. Like, share, subscribe, and comment in the comment section. Big up all the agents.